Hey guys, this is Pam, your favorite paralegal from Brooks Notary and Litigation Support. Okay, so I'm doing this video because I received several messages from people who are asking me how to become a paralegal. So I'll do a quick rundown here, just to kind of help point you guys in the right direction. There are several ways that you could become a paralegal. You can literally go in with no experience, go to any law firm, see if they have an opening for a secretary or something administrative, something like that. A lot of people don't know is you get a lot of hands-on training and you really learn real world experience. Another way you can go is if you go to paralegal school, which is what I did. I went to paralegal school. I chose a program from the American Bar Association. They're accredited by the American Bar Association. It really helps to have a program that says ABA certified or ABA approved because it looks great on your resume. If you need help finding ABA approved programs, I need you to check this out really quick. So this is what the ABA directory looks like. And I'm just giving an example. I typed in Houston, Texas because that's where I am right now. And it came up with these results. You can also search by just putting in your state as well. I hope that information was helpful. And just know that I'm actually creating a paralegal course or series that I'm going to be posting here on TikTok pretty soon. It's one thing to have experience through the schooling versus having real world experience. It's totally different. When it really comes down to it, it's like three things that you need to know as a paralegal. And trust me, I got you covered. I appreciate you guys for watching my content, supporting my content. You can always ask me questions. Do not be afraid to do so. Okay. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.